Driver, we are clear for dispatch.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children. Thank you.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados, con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
On behalf of myself and your driver, we would like to thank you for joining us today at Disney's Animal Kingdom. If any of you guys are planning on doing some park hopping, just make sure you go into that park receipt you got this morning. It's valid all day at all 4 of our parks for free parking. The speed limit in our parking lot is 15 miles per hour. That is a 15, not 850. And if any of you guys are having trouble exiting the parking lot, just look for those big white arrows that are painted throughout the ground. They will lead you to our one and only exit. Once we arrive at our stop, keep in mind that on the driver's right-hand side, we have dinosaur and giraffe. So if you're parked there, you will be exiting on the driver's right. And if you're parked in Peacock, you will exit on the driver's left. Just please remain seated until we have made a full and complete stop.